In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create barcode in Excel. We'll keep this simple and practical. You don't need any code or special templates, just Excel and a built-in way to add an Office add-in that generates barcodes for you. Start by opening your workbook and navigating to the ribbon at the top of Excel. Look for the option to manage add-ins. Depending on your version, you'll usually find this under the Insert tab as Get Add-ins, or you may see an Add-ins button directly on the ribbon. Click that to open the Office Add-ins window. When the store opens, use the search bar to find the tool named Barcode Generator and Barcode Generator. Select it, review the brief description so you know it creates both traditional barcodes and QR codes, and then add it to Excel. Once it's added, you'll see a side pane or a small panel appear, ready to generate a code right inside your sheet. From here, choose the barcode option in the add-in if it gives you both choices. Barcodes are best for product numbers, IDs, and short strings. QR codes are great for longer text or links, but for this walkthrough, we'll focus on barcodes. In the Content field, type the exact text or number you want to encode. Keep it clean, avoid leading or trailing spaces, and use consistent formatting. If you're encoding product SKUs or IDs, make sure they match your records exactly. For sensitive information, avoid embedding anything confidential. Next, adjust the height and width within the add-in. Use the size controls to make the barcode large enough to scan reliably, especially if you plan to print it on small labels. A higher contrast black on white appearance is easiest for scanners to read. Leave a little blank space around the barcode so the scanner can detect the code boundaries. This margin is often called the quiet zone. If the add-in lets you adjust thickness, keep the bars crisp rather than overly thin, and scale proportionally so they don't look stretched. When the barcode appears in your worksheet, position it where you want it, over a label area, a dedicated column, or a print-ready section. If you'll be printing, do a quick page preview to confirm it fits on the page and isn't being clipped. It's also smart to try scanning from your screen or a test print with a basic scanner app to confirm it reads correctly before producing a full batch. That's it. You open the Add-ins panel, launch the QR code generator and barcode generator, entered your text, and tuned the height and width for a clean, scannable result. Duplicate or repeat the process for as many barcodes as you need, and you're ready to use them in your workflow.